If your Roku TV turns off randomly, turns on by itself, or the screen keeps going to sleep again and again, then this could be really annoying. So stay tuned and I'll show you how to stop your Roku TV from turning on or off on its own within a minute. First, we can try restarting our TV from the settings, which can solve any minor glitches that's causing this issue. To do that, open Settings, then go to System, then Power, then select System Restart, and hit on Restart again. After your TV turns on, the problem should be resolved. If you're still facing it, then we will adjust some settings that may be causing this issue. So go to Settings once again, then go up to System, go to Power, Auto Power Settings, and from here, if you don't want your TV to turn off after 15 minutes or 4 hours, just uncheck them. Also, if you have fast TV start turned on, this may cause your TV to turn on abruptly. So you can just turn it off and it may solve your issue. After that, we will go back and go to Control Other Devices or CEC. This may cause your TV to turn on or turn off automatically, especially if you have any other HDMI devices connected. So just turn them off and your TV should stop shutting down or booting up by itself. If it's still happening, then you may have a screensaver enabled, which is causing your TV screen to turn off. And this has happened to me a few times. So to turn it off, we need to go to Settings once again, then go to Theme. Now if you go to Screensaver and you see the power saver is enabled, then this is causing your TV screen to turn off. You can simply change the screensaver to a different one, or you can turn off the screensaver by going to Screensaver Start Time and then selecting Disable Screensaver. Now your TV should stay on and stay off when you want. Unfortunately, if the problem persists, then this may be caused if your TV's power cord is not plugged in properly. So make sure that it's plugged in correctly, and you can also try plugging it into a wall socket if you're using an extension cord to make sure that it's getting proper power. If your TV still turns on and turn off abruptly, then this may be either caused by a faulty remote, which is sending off on and off signal on its own, or a faulty power supply, which you need to get replaced or repaired. So these are all the steps you can follow to fix your Roku TV that's turned on and turned off by itself. Let us know which one worked, and I'll see you in the next one.